Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. Let's make a quick tamarind rice. Heat sesame oil in a pan. Add in peanuts, roast till golden. Remove it to a bowl. Add in all the seasoning ingredients. The complete recipe is given in the description. Add in turmeric powder along with tamarind pulp. Mix well. Season with salt and jaggery. Add in the roasted peanuts back in along with a little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder and cumin powder. Add in cooked rice. Toss well. That's it. Your tamarind rice is done. Now let's make potato roast. Heat oil, add in mustard seed, turmeric powder, boiled baby potato. I like to cut my potato because it was a little bit bigger in size. Add in Kashmiri chili powder and roast till golden. Now for snacks box, it is cheese toast. I placed some bread slices and cheese and toasted till golden. That's it, your cheese toast is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. It is tamarind rice, potato roast and boiled egg, and cheese toast is in her snacks box. I hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.